Sleep once again. Let's proceed. Last time we were rationalizing a surd which was simple. Currently we just want to rationalize a surd which is compound. There's a big difference between a simple surd and the compound surds. We use the same technique which is absent in a simple surd. Now let us first of all define the compound surd. Let me just show you. Look here. This surd under the denominator, there are two numbers here, so that's why we are saying it's a compound, because there are two numbers here that are subtracting or adding or subtracting. These are compound surd. While in simple surd we could have only one number. We had only one number here. It will be either 32 or 33, so on and so forth. But currently we have two numbers that are adding or subtracting. So when you see that under the denominator there's two numbers that are adding or subtracting, just know that one is compound surd. So how do we rationalize that kind of surd? We rationalize that kind of surd by using this technique, which is known as using conjugate surd. We rationalize such kind of surd by using conjugate surd. What is a conjugate surd, by the way? A conjugate surd is a surd which opposes, which in other words, it is just like it opposes itself. For example, here we have 3 plus 32. So the conjugate of this one shall be 3 minus 32. The very same surd, but what differs is the sign. If it is adding, it will be subtracting. If it is subtracting, it will be adding. That's the conjugate surd. For example, here have 5 root 7 plus 5. The conjugate of this one shall be 5 root 7 minus 5. Here there is minus, here there is plus. So when there is plus, when you want to find the conjugate of that, you are going to put a negative sign. That is. Let us see how can we rationalize such kind of surds. Now we have 1. We have 1 root, have 1 root 4 plus root 7. How can we rationalize this one? We multiply on numerator by conjugate of this one, and on the denominator by the very same conjugate of this one. For example, let's multiply here, multiply by conjugate of this one, which will be 4. We have to multiply by conjugate of this one on top and on bottom, which will be 4 minus root 7. So multiply here, it will be 4 minus root 7. So you can see here there is plus, here is minus. That's the conjugate of that one. So just change that, find the conjugate of this one and multiply on both sides, both sides, either on top or bottom. That is, so 1 multiplied by of that shall be 4 minus root 7. So here, this is multiplying by this one. So you can use, there are two ways that here you can use. You can just say this multiplied by this shall give you 16. This and this shall give you minus 4 root 7. Multiply this and this shall give you plus 4 minus 7, plus 7. And this minus root 49. Minus root 49. So you can see here they are adding or subtracting. That's the conjugate. So the answer there is 0. 4 minus root 7 over 16 minus root 49. 49 is a perfect square. Here they have subtracted each other, so we bring this down, they remain this one. So this one is perfect square. It will be 4 minus root 7 over 16 minus 7, which simply means 4 minus root 7 over 16 minus 7, that's 9. That's the answer for that one. That's the answer for that one. That's how we that's how we rationalize surds of which is compound. Let us look at another example whereby we had example 2. It's 3 root 3 over root 2 minus root 3. So you can see that the question said to rationalize. So know that here there are two sides subtracting, so we have to multiply by conjugate on both, on denominator and the numerator. That's by its conjugate, so it will be root 2 plus root 3. So multiplies here root 2 plus root 3. So you can see that we are multiplied by the conjugate of this one. So this one is going to multiply by whole of this one. That is, so remember, denominator and denominator, numerator, side and side. So this multiplication shall be 3 side 6. This one multiplied by this one, and this one multiplied by this one shall be plus 3 root 3. Remember that side multiplied by side and the denominator by its denominator. So multiplied with this one, this multiplied by this shall give us root 4. Treat them as if they are separate numbers. This and this will give us root negative 6. Here positive 6. This and this minus 9. Minus 9 there. So here they subtract row. We're going to get 0 of here. So let's take this one. 3 root 6 plus 3 root 3 over root 4 minus root 9, which can be simplified into 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 over 2 minus, how many 6 here? There's 6 here. Sorry, there's 6. 2 minus 3. 3 root 6 minus 3 root 3. 3 root 6 minus 3 root 6 over 1. So that is our answer. So that's on the hint. What I'm supposed to be doing, you are supposed to find the conjugate. 3 2 plus 4 root 7. So what are going to the sudden derivative is 3 plus 5. So we are here the third 2 plus 4 root 7, 3 plus root 5. So the question says to rationalize. So we know that when we have compound one, we multiply by its conjugate side. Conjugate side will be 3 minus side 3. Like that one. Not 3, but must be 5. So here 3 minus side 5. So remember they are the conjugate. So this multiplied by this, it will be 6. This and this, and there will go to root 5. Like that. Let's do likewise. This one multiplied by this one. This one multiplied by this one shall be negative 12 root 7. Yeah, that's I hope I'm correct. Minus 4 root 35 divided by this multiplied by this. So remember that this and this always cancels. So can just say this and this, it will be 3. In other words, it will be 9. This multiplied by this 9. This multiplied by this. That's positive 3 root 5. When this multiplied by this be negative 3 root 5. Am I correct? This and this one. This and this. Here we should have negative. Here we should have positive. Then this and this minus 25. like that. So these will cancel each other. We got minus 6 minus 2 root 5 plus 12 root 7 minus 4 root 35 over 4. This will cancel. This one, this will have the answer like that. CC, this is 5. This is 5. I mean this one 5. So we have to have the answer like that. So you can see, you can also simplify further. 2 can go into this one, this one, this one. So it can remain, say, 3 minus 35 plus 6 35 plus 2 35 over 2. So you can remain it like that. That's how you should simplify Surds. Thank you.